morning, students. Today's topic is blood relation. Blood relation is a very interesting topic of the logical reasoning. You can say it's the most interesting topic of the entire logical reasoning. Why this is interesting? That is because this is a topic which we deal in our day-to-day life. Okay. हमारी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी का ये बहुत ही एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है एंड हैंस बिकॉज दिस इज कनेक्टेड विद आवर डे टू डे लाइफ दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. It's little bit confusing, but overall it's a good and very interesting topic. So the one thing is for sure that you will not feel bored in this particular chapter. Okay, so let's start with the chapter blood relations. Okay, so first of all, what we will learn in this particular chapter, we'll learn about the relations and what are the different types of blood relation, gender, generation is very important, and we will also learn how to draw the family tree. Blood relation में there are two type of basically questions comes. One is the descriptive type of questions, wherein someone is introducing someone or there is some photo and someone is giving the description about that photo. And second type of question wherein they give a situation, it's a family situation, like wherein they give the relations between the different people with different relation between different type of person. Okay, so basically two type of questions come in this the chapter blood relation. So first of all, let's understand what is a relation and what is a blood relation. Okay, so relation is of two type. One is the relation by birth and the relation by marriage. Okay, so when we born at that time itself we create so many relation like the we have a father, mother. Then this is called the relation by birth. Father, mother, son, daughter, uncle, aunties. Okay, these all are the relation by the birth. Second is the relation by marriage. So when we marry someone, at that time also we create some new relations, that is like spouse, father-in-law, mother-in-law, all come in this category. So blood relation में कौन कौन आते हैं? So father, mother, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt. These are all the relation by birth. Wife and husband wife relationship is not a blood relation. Okay, it's a relationship by marriage, and hence it does not come in the category of a blood relation. So let's understand some of the basic blood relations. First of all, let's start with sibling. So suppose we have a sibling. What is the meaning of this word sibling? Sibling means either brother or sister. So suppose if we have a brother or a sister, we can say that they are a sibling. ब्रदर मीन्स व्हाट ब्रदर मीन्स आ मदर और फादर्स सन. हमारे मम्मी डैडी के जो बेटे हैं हमें छोड़ के दैट इज कॉल्ड द ब्रदर. एंड सिमिलर सिस्टर मीन्स आ मदर एंड फादर्स नॉट सन मदर एंड फादर्स डॉटर. Okay, so that is called the sister. So we all know what is brother and sister. One thing we have to understand that brother and sister means the real brother and sister means the parents should be same. Cousins we don't consider here as a brother and sister. Maybe in our day-to-day life we consider cousins also as our brother sister, but that is for this particular chapter we will not consider the cousin as brother and sister. Brother and sister means the our parents should be same. ठीक है, so cousins को हम brother और sister नहीं मानेंगे. ठीक है. Now next is uncle. Okay, so uncle also we have in India we have a very complex relationship. Our relations are very complex. हमारा जो family होता है काफी बड़ा family होता है. So we have varieties of uncle. Okay, now what are the different type of let's see what are the different type of uncles we have. Okay, so father's brother is called as uncle. हमारे जो father होते हैं उनके भाई को हम uncle कहते हैं. In Hindi we call them as our चाचा. ठीक है. And mother's brother is also a uncle. Okay, mother's brother we call in Hindi as mama. So that is also the uncle. Now how to differentiate that if they are saying, if in the question if it is written uncle, then which type of uncle we have to consider. So most probably uncle means chacha only. So everywhere the relationship from the father's point of view, paternal relationship has the priority. And hence, if it is uncle, it means that 90% chances are that they are talking about chacha and not mama. Generally, for mother's brother, they use the word as maternal uncle. Most of the time, they do this. For maternal uncle, if it is written, it means we have to consider it as mother's brother. Otherwise, we can consider uncle as father's brother. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 100% चांस नहीं है इसका, बट आप ऐसा मान सकते हैं. सिमिलरली वी हैव आंट. हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव varieties of aunt. So father's sister we consider as aunt and mother's sister is also the aunt. Once again mother's side की जो aunt होगी उसको हम maternal aunt we can say. Okay, generally for mother's sister they use the word as maternal aunt. Generally this can be done. So aunt means father's sister or it can be mother's sister. Now next is father-in-law. So father-in-law, as I told you, this is not a blood relation, this is a relation by marriage. Okay, so father-in-law is also of two types. Husband's father is the father-in-law for that wife, and similarly wife's father is also the father-in-law for that particular husband. So father-in-law का मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ husband's father नहीं होता है. Even a wife's father is the father-in-law for that wife's husband. Okay, so father-in-law if it is written, so by default you cannot consider that it is husband's father only. It could have been a wife's father. Wife's father is also called as father-in-law. So ये थोड़ा ख्याल रखना है इसका कि फादर इन लॉ आते ही इसको हम बाय डिफॉल्ट अज्यूम नहीं करेंगे. Okay, similarly we have mother-in-law. So mother-in-law also there are two types of mother-in-law. Husband's mother is also the mother-in-law and wife's mother is also the mother-in-law. Okay, next, this is bit confusing, that is brother-in-law. Brother-in-law, once again varieties of brother-in-laws we have because our family is very complex. So husband's brother is called as the brother-in-law. ठीक है, हस्बैंड का जो भाई है वो उसकी वाइफ का, हस्बैंड की वाइफ का ब्रदर इन लॉ हो जाएगा. जिसके लिए हिंदी में वर्ड चलता है देवर और जेठ. ओके, सो हिंदी में देयर आर टू डिफरेंट वर्ड्स फॉर दिस, देवर और जेठ, जिसे हम कहते हैं ब्रदर इन लॉ. Similarly, wife's brother is also the brother-in-law. Wife's brother के लिए हिंदी में there is a word that is साला. Okay, and that is also the brother-in-law. Sister's husband is also the brother-in-law and wife's sister's husband. So wife की जो sister है उसका जो husband है वो भी जो होगा वो brother-in-law होगा. So different types of brother-in-laws. So this brother-in-law is bit confusing. So brother-in-law अगर आता है तो इसमें से कौन सा brother-in-law होगा ये थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. तो इससे हम फैमिली ट्री स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. ओके, तो जब भी हम फैमिली ट्री बनाएंगे ब्रदर इन लॉ को हम एंड के लिए रखेंगे बिकॉज देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रदर इन लॉ. सिमिलरली देयर इज अ सिस्टर इन लॉ. सिस्टर इन लॉ मीन्स हस्बैंड सिस्टर इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर एज द सिस्टर इन लॉ. हस्बैंड सिस्टर को के लिए हिंदी में वर्ड है ननन. तो husband sister is the nunnan and she is the sister-in-law. Brother's wife is also the sister-in-law and husband's brother's wife is also the sister-in-law. Husband जो है, suppose ये wife है and ये उसका husband है, this is wife and this is husband. तो husband's brother, ये husband का भाई हो गया suppose. This is the brother of husband और उसकी wife. उसकी वाइफ. ओके, सो ये दोनों भाई हैं, these are the brothers, these two brothers और दोनों की वाइफ है. so this and this are sister in law of each other. ये दोनों एक दूसरे की sister in law बन जाएगी. ठीक है, सो ब्रदर इन लॉ एंड सिस्टर इन लॉ इज लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजिंग बिकॉज बहुत सारे टाइप्स के ब्रदर इन लॉ सिस्टर इन लॉ है. सो फैमिली ट्री अगर हम स्टार्ट करें तो हम इससे स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Next is daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law means son's wife is considered as daughter-in-law And similarly, son-in-law means daughter's husband. So daughter's husband is the son-in-law. nephew and niece मीन्स सिबलिंग के सन, तो आपके जो भाई और बहन है उनका अगर बेटा है, सन है, देन दैट सन इज योर नेफ्यू. और सिमिलरली आपका भाई और बहन उसकी कोई बेटी है, देन दैट डॉटर इज योर niece. Okay, so niece and nephew. For son, for boy we will use nephew, and for girl we have to use niece. ठीक है. Okay, now when we draw the family tree, we have to keep certain points in our mind. One is for male, we will represent it with a circle. If a person is a male, उसके ऊपर हम एक circle बनाएंगे. That circle represents that that person is male. And if she is a female, then for that person we will draw a triangle. Okay. If we are not sure about the gender, okay, we will not, under any circumstances, we will not assume the gender of a person. So if we don't know the gender of a person, तो उसके लिए हम कोई ऐसा डायग्राम नहीं बनाएंगे. इफ वी आर श्योर दैट द पर्सन इज मेल, तो उसके लिए वी विल ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, एंड इफ शी इज अ फीमेल, देन फॉर हर वी विल ड्रॉ अ ट्रायंगल. ओके, दिस इज हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट द पर्सन. Sibling के लिए we will use a straight line. Suppose if it is written that A and B are brothers, A and B are brothers, so we will represent like this. Okay, so A and B are brothers को हम ऐसे represent करेंगे with a simple straight line. If it is a spouse, means husband और wife वाली बात है, so for that we will draw one line, horizontal line, and ऐसे दो arrows बना देंगे. Okay, so this, if it is something like this, it means that we are talking about husband and wife. Okay, we won't assume the gender of a person. Now let's draw one family tree. So we'll come to know in detail. We'll come to know that father, mother, siblings को कहाँ fit करना है, uncle, aunt, grandparents, son-in-law, mother-in-law, सबको कहाँ fit करना है. So first we will learn how to draw a family tree. Okay. सो फैमिली ट्री हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. देखिए कैसे बनाएंगे. सपोज मान लो कि ये आप हो, एंड assume that you are a boy. Okay, this is you and you are a boy. Since you are a boy, I have put a circle. Okay, and since आपके एक पेरेंट्स होंगे, तो पेरेंट्स को आप हम ऐसे दिखा देंगे. सपोज दिस इज योर फादर. फादर इज अ मेल एंड हेंस वी विल रिप्रेजेंट इट विद अ सर्कल. तो ये आप हो, ये आपके ऊपर हो गए फादर. ठीक है, एंड शी इज योर मदर. मदर इज अ फीमेल, सो दैट वी विल रिप्रेजेंट विद अ ट्रायंगल. फादर और मदर आपसे एक जनरेशन ऊपर होते हैं, तो उसे हम ऊपर के लिए दिखाएंगे. ओके, एंड दिस इज हाउ वी विल शो, सो दैट दिस कम्स टू नो दैट फादर एंड मदर has one son and that person is you. And since that father and mother, they are husband wife of each other, so they are married. तो इसके लिए हम ऐसा एक बना देंगे. So we'll come to know, okay, these two people are married to each other and they have one son and that person is you. Suppose you have one sibling, okay, इनके और एक और बेटा है, suppose, so that person is your brother. Suppose they have one more son, so that person becomes your brother. And since he is your brother, he is your sibling. So this is how we will represent. Okay, so this line represents that two are sibling. Let us assume that your father and mother has one daughter. So that daughter becomes your sister. इनकी जो daughter है वो आपकी sister बन जाएगी. So since she is a daughter, she is a girl. So for that we will put a triangle. सो अभी तक हमने क्या क्या बना दिया. फादर, मदर एंड प्लस दे हैव 3 चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम विच 2 आर सन्स एंड दे हैव 1 डॉटर. ये आप बीच वाले आप हो. ठीक है, सो इतना बना दिया. नाउ फादर हैज ऑल्सो अ फादर. तो मान लो कि ये फादर के पेरेंट्स हो गए. सो फादर्स फादर बिकम्स योर ग्रैंड फादर. फादर्स फादर बिकम्स योर ग्रैंड फादर एंड फादर्स मदर becomes your grandmother. Okay, similarly mother as also parents. Okay, so Mother's father is also called as grandfather only, but generally they use the word as maternal grandfather. So this person is the maternal grandfather. Okay? And similarly, mother has a mother. So mother's mother becomes your maternal grandmother. मम्मी की मम्मी जो है वो आपकी नानी बन जाएगी. So she is maternal grandmother. Okay, so father has great grandfather, and this is grandfather. This she is grandmother. He is maternal grandfather, and this female is your maternal grandmother. तो दादा दादी नाना और नानी ऐसे बना दिया हमने. ठीक है. Now let us assume that your father has a brother. Your father has a brother. It means your father and this is the brother of your father, so they are siblings, so we will represent them with a horizontal line. Now this father's brother becomes your uncle. Can I say father's brother becomes your uncle? Correct. And suppose वो uncle की शादी हो गई है, then this female becomes your aunt. So who is she? She is your father's brother's wife. Father's brother's wife becomes your aunt. Similarly, let us assume that your mother has a brother. So that brother becomes once again, this person becomes your uncle, but we will say that this person is your maternal uncle. आपके ये suppose हो गए मामा. ठीक है. Mother's brother becomes your maternal uncle. And let us assume that mama has got married to a lady and she becomes your aunt. Okay, so ये मामा हो गए, ये हो गई मामी. This person is chacha, she is chachi. Okay, now it may also happen that your mother has a sister. Mother has a sister, so mother की एक sister बना देते हैं हम. Okay, so you can see that there are three siblings over here: your mother, your mama, and मामा की बहन. Okay, so ये हो जाएगी आपकी मौसी. These are three siblings. Similarly, let us assume that your father has one brother जिसको हमने चाचा बोला है, और आपके father की एक और बहन भी है. So these three people are the siblings: father, uncle, and that aunt. Okay, she is also your aunt, and this female is also your aunt. Okay, so family tree would be something like this. Now let us assume that you got married. आपकी शादी हो गई है और आपकी शादी, you are a boy, so you got married to a girl. So ये आपकी वाइफ हो गई because you got married, so she becomes your wife. और मान लो कि आपके दो बच्चे हैं. You have one son and you have one daughter. Okay, so this person becomes your son and she becomes your daughter. Since she is a daughter, उसके ऊपर हमने triangle बनाया है. Now let us assume that uh, this not daughter, she is a sister. Okay, ये आपकी sister है. मान लो कि आपकी जो सिस्टर है और आपका एक भाई है, आपके भाई की भी शादी हो गई है. So your brother is also got married to a girl. Okay, so this is you, he is your brother, and she is your brother's wife. So your brother's wife becomes your bhabi, so that becomes your sister-in-law. She becomes your sister-in-law. वो आपकी हो जाएगी भाभी. ठीक है. Similarly, she is your sister, and let us assume that your sister is also married. Okay. So this person also becomes your brother-in-law. He becomes your brother-in-law. वो आपके हो जाएंगे basically जीजा. So he becomes your brother-in-law. Now let us assume that your brother has one daughter. Your brother has one daughter. So brother's daughter becomes your niece. Brother's daughter becomes your niece, and let us assume that your sister has one son. So sister's son becomes your nephew. Siblings son becomes nephew and siblings daughter becomes niece. ठीक है. सो इस तरह से हमें एक फैमिली ट्री बनाना है. आप देख सकते हो इस वाले फैमिली ट्री में ओके, ये आपकी जनरेशन है, दिस इज योर जनरेशन, जहां पर आप हो, आपके भाई है, your sister is there, your wife is there, your brother-in-law, sister-in-law, all they come in this particular generation. आपकी ऊपर वाली जनरेशन में कौन कौन आते हैं? सो फादर, मदर, अंकल, आंट कम्स, दे आर वन जनरेशन अबोव यू, एंड उसके ऊपर आते हैं ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, दे आर वन जनरेशन अबोव योर फादर। और आपके जो बच्चे हैं, वो बच्चे जो है, नीज है, नेफ्यूज है, ये आपकी नीचे वाली जनरेशन में है। तो दिस इज हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द फैमिली ट्री, वेर इन आप बीच में रहोगे, आपके पेरेंट्स ऊपर रहेंगे, आपके बच्चे नीचे रहेंगे। दिस इज हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द फैमिली ट्री। Now we will start with a very simple questions and then we will go for the actual questions. पहले हम देखते हैं कि छोटे छोटे questions को कैसे represent करेंगे, how to draw the small family trees. Okay, now here let's start with this. It's mentioned here that A and B are children of C. It means that C is the parent. Now we don't know the gender of C. C can be mother, C can be father, we don't know, so we will not assume. And उसके दो बच्चे हैं, one is A and one is B. Once again we don't know the gender of A and B, so we will not do anything with the gender. ना इसके ऊपर हम सर्कल बनाएंगे, ना ट्राइंगल बनाएंगे. So we don't know the gender of A, B and C, so we will not put any design on that. Next, here it is written A is son of B. So इसे कैसे दिखाएंगे? So B है, once again we don't know the gender of B. B can be mother, B can be father, but उनका एक बेटा है and that is A. So since A is a son, we know that son is a male. So इस यहाँ पर हम gender बनाएंगे. So जैसे ही son लिखा है, immediately we'll put the gender का sign over here. But we don't know the gender of B, so we will not put anything for that. Next, A is daughter of B. Okay, once again since A is a daughter, we know that she is a girl. ठीक है, तो गर्ल के लिए we'll put a triangle. And she is a daughter. किसकी daughter है? B की daughter है. But we don't know. B can be mother, B can be father. We don't know the gender of B, so we'll not put anything for that. Next, A is mother of B. ठीक है, now here A is a mother, it means that A is a woman, mother is a woman. ठीक है, so इसके लिए हम ऐसा बना देंगे triangle. We know the gender of A, but we don't know the gender of B. B can be son, B can be daughter, we don't know, so we won't assume anything. Next, A is father of B. Now since A is a father, A has to be a male. A का ऐसा बना दिया हमने, and यहाँ पर हम बना देंगे B. Once again we don't know the gender of B, so we won't assume anything. B can be son, B can be daughter, but since A is a father, he has to be a male. Next, A and B are parents of C. A and B are parents of C. So ये A है, ये B है, and since they are parents, it means that they are married to each other. So ऐसा हम sign बना देंगे. This shows that they are the spouse, they are married to each other. But we don't know that from this A and B, who is husband, who is wife, who is male, who is female. We don't know, so we won't assume anything. और उनका एक बेटा है या बेटी है. Once again, we don't know the gender of C. So this is how we will represent C. Here we don't know the gender of A, B and C. C can be daughter, C can be son, A can be mother or can be father. Similarly, B can be mother or can be father. So बिल्कुल gender assume नहीं करेंगे if you are not sure of it. Next, A is mother-in-law of B. Now A is mother-in-law, it means that A has to be a woman. So that is confirmed. So A is a woman. So we put like a triangle sign. Now since she is a mother-in-law of B, तो इसका एक बेटा होगा और B can be daughter-in-law. So here I can say that A is a mother-in-law of B. Why she is a mother-in-law? Because B's husband, she is B's husband's mother. Okay, but let me tell you that this is just the half diagram, because we know that mother-in-law are of two types. मदर इन लॉ के दो टाइप होते हैं. हस्बैंड्स मदर इज ऑल्सो द मदर इन लॉ एंड वाइफ्स मदर इज ऑल्सो द मदर इन लॉ. यहाँ पर तो हमने सिर्फ हस्बैंड की मदर दिखाया है. वी ऑल्सो हैव टू शो वाइफ्स मदर. सो दिस इज जस्ट वन ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिटी. ये बिल्कुल पूरा डायग्राम नहीं है. सिचुएशन कैन बी लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, दैट ए इज अ मदर इन लॉ एंड हेंस शी इज अ वुमन, और उसकी एक बेटी है, and B is the son-in-law. This also is possible. And since B is a son-in-law, we have to put a circle ka sign. So if it is written that A is mother-in-law of B, so either this particular situation is possible or this situation is possible. Just don't assume one situation. This is also possible. Similarly, next is A is father-in-law of B. Once again, there are two types of father-in-law. Husband's father is also the father-in-law and wife's father is also the father-in-law. तो वो दोनों चीजें कंसिडर करनी है. Since A is a father-in-law, it means that A is a male, and let us assume that he has a son और उसकी wife है B. So here you can see that A is the father-in-law of B and B becomes the daughter-in-law of A. Or situation could be this, that A is a father-in-law and hence he is a male. He has one daughter and that daughter's husband is B. So here also A becomes father-in-law of B and B becomes the son-in-law of A. So there are two types of father-in-law. Next, A is the डॉटर इन लॉ ऑफ बी. डॉटर इन लॉ एक ही टाइप की होती है, तो इसमें तो कोई सोचने वाली बात ही नहीं है. एंड सिंस ए इज अ डॉटर इन लॉ, इट मीन्स दैट शी इज अ गर्ल. सो वो डॉटर इन लॉ है तो ऐसे दिखाएंगे. डॉटर इन लॉ कब बनेगी? फॉर दैट शी शुड हैव अ हस्बैंड एंड दैट हस्बैंड्स पेरेंट्स बिकम्स her in-laws. Okay, now we don't know the gender of B here. B can be mother-in-law, B can be father-in-law. A is daughter-in-law and hence A ka gender is confirmed, but we don't know the gender of B, so we won't assume anything. Similarly, A is son-in-law of B. A is son-in-law, so A has to be a boy. और वो सन इन लॉ तब बनेगा जब वो शादी करेगा and this girl's parents becomes his in-laws. Now we don't know the gender of B also, because B can be mother-in-law, B can be father-in-law, but in this particular case you can say that A is the son-in-law of B. That is confirmed. Next, A is married to B. So कैसे दिखाएंगे? Husband wife के लिए, as I told you, we will represent like this. Okay, one horizontal line with two arrows. This shows that they are husband and wife. Once again, we don't know the gender of A and B, so we won't assume anything. Next, A is married to B. Okay, once again वैसे ही दिखाएंगे. A is married to B, but यहाँ पर एक चीज एक्स्ट्रा दी है, and that is that A is a male, and since he is a male, उसके लिए we will put a circle. Now here, can we assume the gender of B? What should be the gender of B? Okay, so since A is a male, B has to be a female, because शादी सिर्फ मेल और फीमेल में होती है. In India, only heterosexual marriage is allowed. Homosexual marriage is not allowed. So we can very well consider that B is a female. If A is a male, B has to be a female. That we can consider. Okay, so here this is how we can represent the family tree. छोटे छोटे हमने questions किए. Now let's come to the actual questions जो कि exams में आते हैं. Let's come here. Okay, so this is the called the descriptive based type of questions. These are all 1 mark questions. Let's see what is the question. यहाँ पर हमें family tree बनाना है. If you are not comfortable, if you are good with अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ रिलेशंस, ब्लड रिलेशन अच्छे से समझ में आता है, देन मैन्युअली mentally you can solve the question. But if you are not comfortable, then it's better to draw a family tree, and it's better to solve the question by drawing the diagram. Okay, now let's see what is the first question. Here it is say that pointing to a photograph of a boy, Suresh said. So he here Suresh is the speaker. Who is the speaker? सुरेश इज द स्पीकर. ठीक है, और वो किसको बोल रहा है? पॉइंटिंग टू अ फोटोग्राफ ऑफ अ बॉय. ही इज सेइंग, व्हाट इज सेइंग? दैट he is the son of the only son of my mother. He is the son of the only son of my mother. So let's start with my mother. My mother means, here my means what? The person who is speaking. So my mother means Suresh mother. Okay, so let's draw Suresh. Suresh को बना लेते हैं पहले. तो ये सुरेश हो गया, and he is saying my mother. So this is the mother of Suresh. Okay, mother तक हम पहुंच गए. Next, what is saying that he is the son of the only son of my mother, means my mother has only son. Okay, मेरी मम्मी का एक ही बेटा है. It means that he, Suresh, is talking about himself. My mother has only one son, and he is saying that कि वो खुद ही है. It means that he is talking about himself, and this person जो boy है, the one जिसका वो description दे रहा है, he is the son of the only son. Now he is the only son, so Suresh is the only son, और उसका जो बेटा है, this person is the boy. इसके बारे में वो बात कर रहा है. So this is a boy. Okay, so what is the relation of Suresh with that boy? Suresh उस boy का क्या लगता है? So from this we can say that Suresh is the father of that boy. So answer is, correct answer is option number D, that is father. Here you have to be very careful when it is written only son. So there is no other possibility. Next. Okay. Next. A is the brother of B. So since A is a brother, A has to be a male. तो immediately ये circle बना देना है. इसको बाद के लिए नहीं रखेंगे. A is the brother of B. This is how we represent the sibling. Correct. Now we don't know the gender of B, so we will not put anything. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Here it is written that B is a sister of C. Okay, since B is a sister, she has to be a girl, and she is a sister of C. Once again, we don't know the gender of C. From this much, we realize that A, B, and C are siblings. Okay. Here it is written that C is the father of D. Now, since C is a father, it means that C is a male. तो immediately circle बना देना है. Okay. C is a father of D. किसका father है? D का father है. This person is D. Here we don't know the gender of D, so we won't assume anything. Okay. Question is, how D is related to A? Means what is the relationship of D with A? So D can be nephew. देखो, A, B and C are siblings, and C has one child, that is D. But we don't know the gender of D. तो इतना तो कंफर्म है that A is the uncle of D. A जो है वो uncle बन गए हैं. But who is D? Question is, how is D related to A? So what is the relationship of D with respect to A? D A का क्या लगता है? तो D can be nephew, or D can be niece. It could be anything. Because we don't know the gender of D, so we are not sure. D can be nephew, can be niece. तो हम nephew पे टिक नहीं करेंगे because we are not sure of the gender. So this question has no answer because we don't know the gender of D. So correct answer is option number D, that cannot be determined. Okay, this is the correct answer. Next. Let's come to the question number 3, that is introducing a boy. Girl said. Okay, so here the girl is the speaker. Okay, she is the speaker, and she is talking about the boy. What she is saying, that he is the son of the daughter of the father of my uncle. So if you can imagine all this relationship, you can do it mentally. If you are not comfortable, it's better to draw the diagram. Okay. So the girl is saying that he means this boy. Okay. So boy, by बात जो है वो इस boy के बारे में हो रही है, that this boy is the son. Okay. So boy जो है वो son है. So boy, and it means he is a boy, तो circle बना दिया. He is the son. किसका son है ये? He is the son of the daughter. Now since here it's a daughter, it means they are talking about the boy's mother. डॉटर है तो वे विमेन की बात हो रही है, मतलब तो हम डॉटर तक पहुंच गए. अच्छा, ये डॉटर किसकी है? फादर की. डॉटर ऑफ द फादर, तो डॉटर का एक फादर है, तो ये फादर तक हम पहुंच गए. ठीक है. सो बॉय इज द सन ऑफ द डॉटर ऑफ द फादर. अच्छा, ये फादर किसका है? फादर ऑफ माई अंकल. सो दिस फादर इज माई अंकल्स फादर. मतलब ये फादर का एक बेटा है जो कि अंकल बनने वाला है आपका. सो शी इज अ डॉटर, सो शी कांट बी दी अंकल, तो इसका फादर का एक और बेटा होगा. दिस पर्सन इज नथिंग बट द अंकल. इट मीन्स दैट दिस डॉटर एंड अंकल आर सिबलिंग, करेक्ट, बिकॉज उनके ये फादर इज द पेरेंट. ओके. Now the question is, how is the boy related to that girl? Now, what the girl? Where is the girl? The girl is saying that she is this. He is my uncle. अभी इनको uncle कब बना सकते हैं हम? This person can become uncle only if ये जो daughter है उसकी एक girl होगी, because here the girl is the speaker and she is saying that this person is my uncle. अभी ये अंकल बनाना है, इसका मतलब है कि डॉटर की एक बेटी होगी और वही वो लड़की है जो कि बोल रही है. So she is a girl. Okay. And hence here girl is saying that this person is my uncle. Now he has become the uncle properly. It means that this girl and boy are sibling. Correct. So question is, how is the boy related to the girl? The boy is nothing but the brother of the girl. So answer is brother. This chapter is a bit confusing, but it's an interesting topic. Let's come to the question number 4. Pointing to a photograph, Lata says. So here the speaker is Lata and she is pointing to a photograph. And that photograph में she is using the word he. It means this ये जो photograph वाला है वो एक लड़का है, is a boy. Why? Because she has used the word he for that particular photograph. Okay, so photograph वाला एक लड़का है. So ये जो लड़का है ये वो है जो फोटोग्राफ में है. ठीक है. एंड ही इज द सन. ये किसी का तो सन है. किसका सन है? ही इज द सन ऑफ द ओनली सन ऑफ माय ग्रैंडफादर. ये सन है किसका? ओनली सन. तो इसका एक फादर है, बिकॉज दे यूज द वर्ड सन. ओके. एंड माय ग्रैंडफादर मतलब लता का ग्रैंडफादर. सो लेट्स कम टू लता हियर. शी इज लता. लता के ग्रैंडफादर मीन्स फादर्स फादर. फादर्स फादर. Okay, तो ये हो गए ग्रैंडफादर. Okay. What she is saying that my grandfather, only son of my grandfather. So my grandfather has only one son, only son. ठीक है. And so this son और ये भी son है, तो ये दोनों सेम है, मतलब this person and this person is same. What is written? My grandfather's only son. Means this is the son which she is talking about. और ये जो son है ये किसका son है? वो इस फोटो वाले का फादर है. इट मीन्स दिस टू पीपल आर सेम. इट मीन्स कि ये जो सन है और ये फोटोग्राफ वाला है. इफ यू कंबाइन दिस बोथ द डायग्राम देन इट वुड बी समथिंग लाइक दिस. दिस सन हैज टू चिल्ड्रन. वन इज the boy which is there in the photograph and one is Lata. So you can say that these two people are sibling. The question is, how is the man in the photograph related to Lata? So this person who is there in the photograph, what is his relation with Lata? Then I can say that this person is nothing but the brother of Lata. So this is the correct answer. You have to be very careful while drawing the diagram. Confusing होते हैं ये questions. Let's come to question number 5. Pointing to a photograph, Mr. Vajpayee said. Okay, so Mr. Vajpayee is the speaker here, and he is pointing to a photograph. He is talking about that photograph, and वो जो photograph वाला है वो he है. It means that this photograph person is a boy. That is confirmed. Okay, so he's saying that he is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. Okay, so this boy is the son. किसका son है ये boy जो है, he is the son of only daughter, मतलब ये इसकी एक mother है, ये वो daughter की बात चल रही है अभी. Okay, so this he is the only daughter. ये जो daughter है ये हमने यहाँ बना दी. He is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. ठीक है, तो ये daughter का he is the son of the only daughter of father. तो ये father पे पहुंच गए हम. Father of my brother. My brother means Mr. Vajpayee का भाई. So this is Mr. Vajpayee. Okay, and he is talking about my brother. तो वाजपेयी का एक भाई है. ठीक है, and father of my brother. Father of my brother मतलब ये बात, brother का father becomes your father also. आपके भाई का daddy becomes your dad also. So this is the father. और ये फादर वही है जो यहाँ पर जिसकी बात हो रही थी. Okay, ये भी फादर है. नाउ वी विल कंबाइन दिस टू फिगर्स. ओके, सो ये फादर और ये फादर को कंबाइन कर देंगे तो ये फादर की एक डॉटर है, तो इसको इसकी एक डॉटर बना देंगे यहाँ पर, और ये डॉटर का एक बेटा है. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट. क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज वाजपेयी इज रिलेटेड टू द मैन इन द फोटोग्राफ. मतलब ये जो फोटोग्राफ वाला बॉय है, what is the relation of Bajpayee with this particular boy? Bajpayee इस लड़के का क्या लग रहा है? You can see that this boy has a mother and Bajpayee is the brother of the mother. So brother of mother, we call that person as maternal uncle. तो ये मामा है, वाजपेयी जी मामा है इस बॉय के. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. K is L's wife's husband's brother. So let's start with L. L's wife. It means that the gender of L. L की एक wife है. It means that L has to be a husband. And if L is a husband, it means L is a male. ये L is a husband. उसकी एक wife है. So we will draw the wife. ठीक है. Now what is written? L's wife. मतलब यहाँ पर आ गए हम. Wife's husband. Wife's husband is once again L only. तो आप देख रहे हो काफी घुमा फिरा के दिया है, सीधा सीधा नहीं दिया है. L's wife husband becomes L only, correct? And L का brother. So K is L का brother. Basically सीधा सीधा दिया नहीं है. सीधा सीधा लिख दिया होता कि K is L's brother तो क्या जाता. ठीक है. So K is L's. What is written? L's wife's husband's brother. It means that K and L are brother. K is a brother and hence K is a boy. And L को हमने male क्यों बनाया है? क्योंकि उसकी wife है. ठीक है. Next. M is the sister of K. Okay, तो अभी ये एक और M भी आ गई. She is a sister. She is M. Okay. Sister है. It means I can say that M, K and L are the siblings. Next. N is the sister of L. अच्छा, L की एक और sister है, तो ये एक और sister हो गई L की, that is N. So now you can say that there are 4 siblings. From that 2 are brother and 2 are sister. Question is how is K related to M? K का M से क्या relation है? So you can say that K is the brother of M. Easy question. Next. Atul is the son of Zamir. Alka is the daughter of Aman. So here they are talking about Atul and Zamir. Okay, ठीक है. Next, they are talking about Alka and Aman. तो Alka is the daughter of Aman. Sheila is the wife of Aman. तो अमन का रिलेशन और आगे बढ़ा है. Mohan is the son of Sheila. How is Alka related to Mohan? So in this particular question, I can see that कि ये अतुल और जामिर उसकी तो बात ही नहीं हो रही कहीं. So for initially just forget about this first sentence. इसको भूल जाते हैं. We'll start with this that Alka is the daughter of Aman. So Alka is the daughter, and hence we'll put a triangle for Alka. किसकी daughter है? Aman की daughter है. And Sheila is the wife of Aman. Now, since Sheila is the wife, it means that Aman has to be a man. Okay. So, Aman जो है वो अलका का father है, and Sheila is Aman's wife. So she is Sheila. Now, since they are couple, they are husband and wife, तो उनकी daughter अलका है. तो अलका सिर्फ अमन की daughter नहीं है. अलका is also the daughter of Sheila. तो ये लाइन भी बनाना जरूरी है ताकि आपको रिलेशन ठीक से क्लियरली पता चले. Sheila is the wife of Aman. That's done. Mohan is the son of Sheila. Okay. Now Sheila का बेटा है मोहन. It means that Aman and Sheila, who are parents, they have two children. One is Alka and one is Mohan. From this, I can say that Alka and Mohan are sibling. Alka is a daughter. Mohan is a son. Question is, how is अलका related to मोहन? अलका का मोहन के साथ क्या रिलेशन है? तो अलका कौन बन जाएगी? अलका मोहन की सिस्टर बन जाएगी. So correct answer is option A, that is sister. हाँ. Now where is this अतुल and जामिर? हाँ, ये दोनों का तो कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं था. तो ये तो आपको सिर्फ कंफ्यूज करने के लिए और आपका टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए डाला गया था. Nowhere this has any connection with the question. Next. Nikki, who is Ronaldo's daughter. Okay, so Ronaldo है एक और उसकी daughter है Nikki. Now she is saying, so here the speaker is Nikki. Okay, and she is saying to Erin, what she is saying that your mother Rita. Your mother means Erin's mother. तो ये Erin है और उसकी mother है Rita. That your mother Rita is the youngest sister of my father. वो सबसे youngest sister है किसकी? मेरे father की. My father means who is the speaker here? So you can see that the Nikki is the one who is the speaker. तो this Rita is the youngest sister. किसकी सी sister है youngest sister? तो father की. किसके father की? My father means Nikki's father, and we know that Nikki's father is Ronaldo. It means Ronaldo and Rita are sibling. Okay, और उसकी daughter है Nikki. इसी तरह से हमने इसको और इसको combine कर दिया. ठीक है. Now, अच्छा आगे क्या लिखा है? Your mother Rita is the youngest sister of my father. This much is done. Now, who is the third child? Now, who means कौन? ये जो बाजू में है, who के बाजू में कौन है? Father. So they are talking about father. That father is the third child of Sylvester. So ये जो father है Ronaldo, he is the third child of Sylvester. तो ये ऊपर आ जाएगा Sylvester. ठीक है. Question is, how is Sylvester related to Erin? Sylvester का Erin से क्या relation है? तो you can see Sylvester has Rita and Ronaldo as their children, and Rita has a child, and that is Erin. Okay, so how is Sylvester related to Erin? So I can say that Sylvester is the grandfather. दो generation ऊपर है, so he becomes a grandfather. So option number C is the correct answer. Next, A is B's sister. Okay, so let's draw that. B's sister is A. So since A is a sister, she has to be a woman. B sister. As of now, we don't know the gender of B, so forget. अच्छा आगे लिखा है C is B's mother. सी इज बीज मदर, तो बी की जो मदर है वो है सी। इसको हम थोड़ा नीचे बना देते हैं। A is B's sister. A is the sister of B. ठीक है। Next, C is B's mother. तो B की mother है C, and since she is a mother, she has to be a woman. So C. D is C's father. C का father है D. D is C's father. ठीक है, चलिए। E is D's mother. Okay, E is D's mother. तो D की mother है E. D की mother है E. Question is, how is A related to D? How is A related to D? मतलब what is the relationship of A with respect to D? So you can say that A is the granddaughter. दो generation नीचे है, and since she is a girl, she becomes a daughter. तो D's daughter is C, and C का एक C की बेटी है A. Okay, so we can say that A is the granddaughter of D. So correct answer is option number C, that is granddaughter. Next. Pointing to a person, man said to a woman. Okay, so here the speaker is man and he is talking to a woman and he is pointing to a person. Okay, so three people, person, man, woman as of now. And he is saying that his mother means that person's mother, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. So his mother is the only daughter of your father. Okay, so his mother means person's mother. So this is a person और उसकी मदर. ओके, सो ये हम मदर तक पहुंच गए. हिज मदर इज द ओनली डॉटर, वो इकलौती बेटी है किसकी? ऑफ योर फादर. योर फादर मतलब ये इसका फादर हो गया. एंड दिस फादर हैज ओनली वन डॉटर. योर फादर मतलब किसका फादर? वुमन फादर, बिकॉज ही इज टॉकिंग टू अ वुमन. सो ये जो वुमन है उसके फादर की बात हो रही है. Okay, now this is a little bit confusing. देखो what is written that this person's mother, this she is the only daughter of your father. Now your father means woman father and woman father has only one daughter. It means कि ये जो woman है यही इसकी मम्मी है. तो ये mother जो है यही वो woman है. They are the same person, mother and woman, because father की और कोई daughter नहीं है. Question is, how is the woman related to the person? So what is the relationship of a woman with that person? So I can say that woman is a mother of this person. So correct answer is option A, that is mother. ठीक है. Next, question number 11. Pointing to a lady in the photograph, Miss Shalu said. So here the Miss Shalu is the speaker and she is talking about that lady in the photograph. Okay, what she is saying, that her son's father is the son-in-law of my mother. Her son means lady's father. Okay, her son's father means, her means lady. Okay, so she's a lady and her son, lady's son. Okay, so son बना देते हैं. लेडी का जो सन है उसका फादर, इट मीन्स वो लेडी का हस्बैंड का ही बात हो रहा है. सो सन्स फादर बना दिया एंड दिस फादर इज ऑल्सो द हस्बैंड ऑफ द लेडी. फादर तक हम पहुंच गए. नाउ दिस पर्सन, दिस फादर, हु इज ही इज द सन इन लॉ. वो सन इन लॉ है. नाउ दिस फादर कैन बिकम सन इन लॉ ओनली व्हेन इसके पेरेंट्स की बात हो रही है, सो दैट ही बिकम्स अ सन इन लॉ. ही इज द सन इन लॉ ऑफ माय मदर. मतलब सन इन लॉ किसी की मम्मी का है, मतलब यहाँ पर शी इज अ मदर इन लॉ. ओके, नाउ ये मदर वाली बात हो गई. ये जो माय मदर है, ओके, ये शी इज अ मदर और वो किसकी मदर है? माय मदर. माय मदर मीन्स लेडीज मदर. करेक्ट, बिकॉज मदर की एक बेटी है एंड दैट पर्सन इज लेडी इटसेल्फ. ओके, सो Okay, so this is the mother, and he is this, who is the speaker over here? So you can say that Shalu is the speaker, and Shalu is talking about my mother. She is a mother, it means that this is a Shalu. Hmm? And since she is miss, it means ki she is a woman. तो ये हो गई Shalu. Question is, how is Shalu related to the lady? So you can say that Shalu and lady are sibling. So Shalu is the sister of that lady. Next, question number 12. Pointing to the woman in the picture, Rajiv said, her mother. Her mother means that woman mother. तो वो जो woman है, her mother has only one grandchild whose mother is my wife. So ये जो woman है, she is a woman, and उसकी mother, woman's mother. Okay. So woman mother तक हम पहुंच गए. वुमन मदर हैज ओनली वन ग्रैंड चाइल्ड, उसका एक ही बच्चा है ये मदर का. ओके, सो शी इज द ग्रैंड मदर. दिस फीमेल, शी इज द ग्रैंड मदर. ग्रैंड मदर कब बनेगी? जब यहाँ पर एक बच्चा होगा था. Now we don't know the gender because here they are talking about only child, so we don't know who is this. This is a boy or a girl, we don't know. No issues, we'll go ahead. Has only one grandchild. Okay, so now ये हम grandchild तक पहुंच गए. This is a grandchild. Okay, whose mother means grandchild's mother is my wife. तो ये grandchild की ये mother हो गई और वो मेरी wife है. मेरी wife है मतलब who is the speaker here? Rajiv. So this is Rajiv. Because he is saying that this grandchild's mother is my wife. It means I am the father of that grandchild. The question is, how is the woman in the picture, means this woman in the picture is related to Rajiv. So you can say that woman and Rajiv are husband and wife. So woman का relation Rajiv के साथ क्या है? That she is a wife. So correct answer is option B, that is wife. Next, introducing a girl, Vipin said. Okay. Now here the Vipin is the speaker and he is talking about a girl. What is saying that her mother is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. So my mother-in-law means Vipin's mother-in-law, because Vipin is the speaker here. So Vipin's पहले तो Vipin की mother-in-law बना लेते हैं. So this person is Vipin. उसकी mother-in-law बनाने के लिए first of all Vipin should get married to a girl. और उसकी ये हो गई मदर इन लॉ. सो दिस फीमेल इज द मदर इन लॉ ऑफ विपिन. सो व्हाट ही इज सेइंग दैट माय मदर इन लॉ, मतलब विपिन की मदर इन लॉ तक हम पहुंच गए, एंड शी इज द ओनली डॉटर, हर मदर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट ही इज सेइंग. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग अ गर्ल, विपिन सेड दैट हर मदर मींस गर्ल्स मदर. सो शी इज अ गर्ल और ये उसकी मदर. हर मदर मींस गर्ल्स मदर is the only daughter of my mother-in-law. मतलब ये वाली जो mother है, she is the only daughter of this MIL. Okay, this mother-in-law. It means this is the mother. ये जो mother है इसको हमें यहाँ fit करना पड़ेगा because mother-in-law की एक ही बेटी है. Okay, so she is the mother और ये उसकी बेटी girl. So हमने दोनों figure को combine कर दिया and this is how the final figure would look like. Question is, how is Vipin related to the girl? So what is Vipin's relation with the girl? So I can say that Vipin is the father of the girl. Correct? He's the father. Correct answer is option number C, that he is the father. Next, a girl introduced a boy as the son of the daughter of the father of her uncle. Okay, so here the girl is introducing a boy. And who is that boy? So this boy is the son. Okay, so ये जो boy है ये किसी का तो son है. किसका son है? Daughter का. It means कि ये जो daughter की बात हो रही है, ये this daughter is the mother of this boy. ये जो daughter है ये boy की mother है. Since she is a daughter, किसकी daughter है? Father. Father की daughter. तो हम पहुंच गए father तक. ठीक है. So what we have done till now, boy को introduce किया. Now this boy is the son of the daughter, so daughter we draw, and she is a daughter of the father. Father तक हम पहुंच गए. Now who is the father? Father of her uncle. She is the daughter. She is the daughter of the father of her uncle. Hmm? Now the girl is now here. The girl introducing a boy. Okay, so girl is talking here. Who is it talking? Girl is talking. It means her uncle means girl's uncle. Girl's uncle. Okay, so she is saying that this person boy is the daughter, is the son of the daughter of the father of girl's uncle. तो गर्ल का जो अंकल है ना उसका फादर है. ये जो फादर है ना ये गर्ल के अंकल का फादर है. फादर ऑफ गर्ल्स अंकल. इसका मतलब है कि फादर का एक बेटा है, दैट इज अंकल. ओके, सो हर अंकल. अब अभी ये गर्ल का अंकल कब बनेगा? इसको हमें अंकल बनाना है, तो ये कब अंकल बनेगा? जब इसका एक और डॉटर की एक और बेटी होगी, दैट इज गर्ल. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज द बॉय इज गर्ल्स. बॉय और गर्ल का रिलेशन क्या हो जाएगा? ये जो डॉटर है इसकी एक बेटी है एंड शी इज द गर्ल. ओके, सो बॉय इज गर्ल्स ब्रदर. दिस बॉय इज गर्ल्स. A man introduces a woman, sorry, not a man, a woman introduces a man. So here the speaker is the woman and she is introducing a man as the son of the brother of her mother. So this man is the son. जो man है ये किसी का तो son है. किसका son है? Man as the son of the brother. ये जो भाई की बात हो रही है इसका son है. अच्छा, ये ब्रदर किसका है? हर मदर. तो ब्रदर कब बनेगा? हर मदर. मदर का ब्रदर है. इट मीन्स दैट दे आर सिबलिंग्स एंड दिस इज अ मदर. अच्छा, शी इज द मदर ऑफ कौन? किसकी मदर है ये? शी इज द मदर ऑफ द वुमन हु इज टॉकिंग. इट मीन्स कि शी इज अ वुमन. This is the woman. Okay, so brother and mother, they are sibling. This brother has one son and जिसको हमने man लिखा है, and this mother has one daughter जिसको हमने woman से introduce किया. Question is, how is the man related to the woman? What is the relationship of the man with the woman? Definitely they are not sibling. इसको हम sibling नहीं मानेंगे. Why they are not sibling? Because इनके parents same नहीं है. So they are, you can see that this is the brother, she is a girl, and they are brother and sister. They are siblings. This man is a son of this brother and this woman is a daughter of this mother, and hence they are cousins. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के cousins बन रहे. They are not sibling. So how is the man related to the woman? So man is the cousin of this woman, and similarly the woman is the cousin of man. दोनों का cousin वाला relation है. So I hope you are clear with this particular chapter. This is a good and interesting topic, bit confusing. So with this we are ending our today's session. ठीक है.